Do you want a home that looks impressive, or one you actually want to live in? A lot of people design their homes based on what looks good, not what feels good. And that is where things start to disconnect. Ake visited 2 homes in 1 week. The first was perfect, clean, minimal, untouched. He admired it, but could not relax. The second was warm, slightly imperfect, full of personality. He did not want to leave. That is when he realized, a home is not about how it looks, it is about how it feels. If your home does not reflect your values, it will never feel right. Here are the takeaways. Define your feeling first. Calm, cozy, or energizing. Stop designing for appearance and start designing for experience. Identify what you are drawn to. Where do you feel most comfortable? Let your home reflect your life, not the latest trends. Where do you feel most at ease? Does your home reflect your life or someone else's? What do you want your space to feel like daily? Follow for more videos on creating a home that feels like you, not just looks good. And if you have not already, click the like and subscribe so you know about my new videos. And if you want to know more about how to do this for your own home, consider getting my new book, Declutter Without Losing Your Style, available on Amazon, by yours truly, Barbara Gibson.